Welcome to the pre-market report of 11/7/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,218, top CPR is in 16,219 and bottom CPR is in 16,217. So today the CPR is very lean. It indicates market going to be trend in any one of the direction. R1 placed in 16,278 and R2 placed in 16,336 and R3 placed in 16,396. S1 placed in 16,161 and S2 placed in 16,100 and S3 placed in 16,043. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 35,121, top CPR is in 35,123 and bottom CPR is in 35,120. Here also the CPR width is very lean. It is also indicating market going to be trend in any one of the direction. R1 placed in 35,265 and R2 placed in 35,406 and R3 placed in 35,549 and S1 placed in 34,981 and S2 placed in 34,837. S3 placed in 34,696. Let us check the global market first. On last Friday, all the US market closed in almost flat condition. It doesn't give any direction to our market today. On last Friday, most of the European market closed in firmly in green, but it won't affect our today market opening because generally US market trend will followed by after 12 p.m. in our market. So European market, although European market closed in positive, but right now it doesn't give any direction to our market. Right now, except Japanese index, all the Asian market trading firmly in red. It gives slight negative direction to our market. Right now, all the US and European future trading firmly in red. It is also giving negative direction to our market. Nifty future trading around 16,117. Our previous day close was 16,220. It indicates market going to open more than 100 points gap down, exactly 103 point gap down. SGS Nifty also indicating the same. It is also trading around 16,115. It is also indicating market going to open in gap down. On last Friday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 109 crores and domestic institutional investor bought for 34 crores. The participation of institution is very less, so it doesn't give any direction to our market. Although the participation of institution is very low, but till they are in the sell side. Overall, the institution activity is in sell side. It gives slight negative to our market. This is options and data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now, 16,000 put option has highest open interest in nearby. It has 89,986 contract in open condition, as well as 16,200 call option is highest open interest. It has 86,408 contract in open condition. So the option brightest value market going to be expire between 16,200 to 16,000. Smart people created 16,200 short saddle. By creating 16,200 short saddle, they can collect combined premium of 258 rupees. They believe market won't break 16,500 in upside as well as 16,000 in downside. But last week they created 15,800 short saddle and they succeed in two. But this time they won't succeed, I believe, because right now SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open 16,100. Moreover, there is so much of data in Wednesday. Definitely market will be gap down or gap up on Thursday. This time these people going to be fail. As per the Friday close, FAS has 27% short long position in index future and 73% short position in index future, as well as DAA has 42% long position in index future and 58% short position in index future. Both FAS and DAS reduces the long position, reduce the long position by 4%. It indicates they believe market going to be trend towards down direction. That's why they reduces the long position and increases the short position by 4%. The overall view is on last Friday, US market closed in flat condition, European market closed in positive condition. Right now, most of the Asian market is trading in negative, as well as US and European future is also trading in negative. Nifty future and SCS Nifty indicating market going to open more than 100 points gap down. FA is in sell side, DA is in buy side. As per the writer's view, market won't move beyond 16,400 in upside as well as 15,900 in downside. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, S1, S2, S3 in red. Previous day high in dotted green, previous day low in dotted red. Right now, Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open somewhere around 16,118. This is just below to center pivot, not just below to center pivot, more than 100 points below to center pivot, as well as more than 50 points above to S1. I hope market going to took support at S1 and bounce back. After touching center pivot, it may go further down. So don't take any position initially, just wait market to test S1 as well as previous day low. If any retestment comes, you can enter at this level. You can enter when market touches 8 EMA or 20 EMA. After facing resistance, it may come down. Whenever you see market face resistance at 8 or 20 EMA, you can enter at this level. Just keep the stop loss just above the candle. Book your profit S2. At S2 you can trail up to S3. I hope market going to be trend towards down direction today. So don't take any position initially, just wait for the retracement. Once market face resistance at 8 or 20 moving average, you can enter at this location or just wait till market to reach a center pivot and face resistance. So don't take any position initially, just wait for retracement. Once market retest, you can enter at this close, but be aware 16,278 going to be act as a huge resistance. If market misses center pivot and came near to R3, don't wait, just buy nearby put option or just sell nearby call option. That means 16,300 put option or sell 16,300 call option. You can definitely end up with a good profit. I hope market never break previous day high as well as R1.